So I grew up in a Christian church with my grandparents and a single mom. My father was in and out of prison, so I didn't really know what it was like to have a father. The way that I feel like it affected my life was that I was looking for love in all the wrong places. I started suffering a lot from anxiety around the pandemic, and then it just went on from there because I was also having a lot of problems in my relationship that just kept adding on to it. When I did therapy, they diagnosed me with severe depression and severe anxiety. I feel like a lot of times too, I was not emotionally available for my son because it was a lot of no motivation, not wanting to get out of bed, not wanting to focus on my career, focus on my child. So I just was just going day by day, just letting the day go by pretty much. In 2022, I felt like the Lord was calling me to end my relationship. I really just relied on Him, and I started to pray and I started to ask Him to help me. And so through Him, He gave me all the strength to be able to leave that relationship. Just a few months after I started coming to Calvary Life, Pastor Chet had an altar call. As he was getting ready to pray, he paused and he said that he felt like the Spirit was telling him that there was one more person that needed to be up there. And in that moment, it was like someone just like pushed me to go forward. Of course, with that, after surrendering my life to the Lord, a lot of trials came. There was a car accident that I had just a few months after. I had just woke up really anxious that day and just was telling the Lord, like, it's not supposed to be like this. The reality is that I didn't fully give every part of me to Him. Going into the new year, I was like, Lord, I really want to serve You. I really want to do whatever You're calling me to do. I want to do things the way that You want me to do them. And that's when He just started transforming everything in such a short amount of time. I got a call and it was about the business that I had before. And it was almost like that door shut. The Lord put it in my heart to go to school and to pretty much change everything and open up a faith-based nail salon. I have worship music, I have sermons going on, I'm able to host Bible studies, we're able to pray together. Whenever someone walks in that door, I'm just really excited of what the Lord has planned for that person that day. When I wasn't looking for Him, He was looking for me. And He does the same with every single person. The battle doesn't really belong to you, it belongs to Him. And we already know who's already won the victory.